Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Motorola Moto G60 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your Google Play Store games or application are not visible on your Google Play Store. When you have the same situation as mine, you search your game, Mobile Legends games, and you don't have it there, you must go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store and tap on your photo on the right corner. There, Settings, Family and Parental Control. As you can see, now we have page 3 too visible or application as Mobile Legends games or something like that. We need more than page 3. To change it, we press there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control. And we can easily change it from page 3 to page 16, maybe configure by understood and save. We can also turn off all our parental control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends game again, and it is working right now and we can do it, we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!